It's time again for another wonderful YouTube video. And as you can see, subject of today's video is another Move Bumpers build. And we do also have some headlights in the works, but not this video. Now, come over this way. We are cramped on space, but you can see our previous Move Bumpers project. This is the front bumper I threw on at least 4 years ago now, at least. And this here's a 99 Dodge Ram. And the bumper seen is the Embark series without the little hoop bar thingy. And then we have an option for the light bar cutout, which should be a winch at some point when we decide to use the truck as a real truck. And then you got your D-ring provisions. I don't know if that one has it.
It does.
It does. Let's go to the back. And then we have a matching Embark series for the rear. Also, you got your D-ring provisions. There's little light tabs in here for our light pods on this one. And then, aside from the pre-runner look, I have this one because it wraps around the side of our fiberglass hide-side bed a little bit. And then, on the truck we're actually working on today, Little Brothers, for the guy holding the camera that you're viewing from, the rear end has my old roll pan on it. The truck we are working with today is this 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. However, they do make bumpers for lots of different makes and models. And the bumper kit that we are working with is going to be the Precision. And it looks to be optioned with no excess lighting cutout holes. And are we going with the D-rings or are we not?
Maybe.
Maybe. So we have our two starting brackets. Got it sandwiches on the outside of your frame and the inside. And then we now need to get a second set of hands, take our big piece and get it tacked up on there. And then we can follow the rest of the instructions to build the bumper out to the sides. And once it's all final welded, are we painting it or are we taking it to powder coat?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet. Time to build. Oh, and then if you like what you see here, or what you may find on Move Bumpers website, you can use discount code SUPER50 to save yourself some money site-wide. Now we build. Riley has returned to assist with the first step. It's held up and tacked to both brackets. Now we're going for the corner piece. I missed the end caps, but they're on. So now they're going to take it off and weld it all up. All of the finished welding and grinding is done. Coming close. Came together all right here. And then there's the whole corner piece up there. And other than some little dimples and pores, kind of like that, that we might fill in with some body filler before we paint it, it looks real nice. Excellent job, pal. No cameraman to watch us both get it on, but it is on. Need a little bit of an adjustment, but for just sitting it up there, it's not looking half bad. Yeah, I think it looks nice, other than I would have done the cutouts personally. now time to get some paint slapped on the bumper. I have vacated my spot and I'm now parked out front for the moment. And we will be using, hold on, pause there, pal, our ketchup of rattle cans. Good old Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. We are gonna get the brackets done there and then do the inside of the bumper in bed liner. And then flip it over and do the glossy black on the front side of the bumper where it actually matters. That way we're not sitting here spending... That way we're not sitting here spending another $50 on clear coat for the back of the bumper that pretty much no one's ever going to see. You are now on the nice new camera, but we're in the garage painting, so you're going to still have to deal without the microphones. But so far, it's still going to be the best audio quality you've had yet. We got both heaters running, as Colorado has decided to be a little chilly. And we're going to hold you guys up in the corner so that you can maybe watch me paint without getting any paint on yourselves. We're going to start with some primer to seal in the raw steel, obviously. And then we will go with as many coats of gloss black as the paint cans allow us. And then we have 2 cans of 2K clear that we can go over with. We'll see how we feel after 1 can. I've never done a whole bumper with it, so I don't really know how far it's going to go. It's been 15-ish minutes. It's time for the gloss black. And we're using all Rust-Oleum professional grade, that stuff. The black should be good and dried at this point. So we now need to get the 2K opened up and mixed. For rattle can, we have achieved some pretty spiffy results over here. I would argue that it almost looks as if we went and had it powder coated. Other than, what is this? Mild bits of lameness that we're just going to bury in clear coat and you're not going to see it. It'll be just fine. Completely and totally fine. But what's not fine is how sticky this clear coat is. So you guys are going outside and then you're just going to see it when we're done. The good camera isn't available at the current moment, but she slapped on. So we had to grab a nice quick little shot of our pretty half-decent paint job before we go blazing down the highway and get it dirty for the first time. Color match definitely does wonders. And, I mean, for rattle can, not bad. Not bad at all. Closing thoughts on our Move Precision Weld Together bumper kit. What do you think up there? How was the install? What do you think of the looks? Etc.
It's growing on me a lot more. With it being black when it was raw, it's still pretty questionable. As far as fitting it up, not too bad as long as you have a second set of hands to hold things as you tack them. But it came out pretty even. pretty straight. So I'd say it's good. I like it.
I think it looks good. And you will like your bumper even more once you use discount code SUPER50. Save you some money on whatever bumper kit you so desire. But for that, it will be it. And we will see you next time. But only if you hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Because if you don't, then you just might miss out. You might forget about me. And then the algorithm won't tell you. Because you'll have forgotten. Don't let that happen.
He's just a little guy.
I'm not sure what that has to do with forgetting. That would actually help them remember, I'd fucking hope. But either way, you should subscribe. Please and thanks.